Welcome to our video about the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer with Cup. Are you looking for a powerful and compact juicer that can help you make healthy and delicious drinks in seconds? Look no further than the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer with Cup. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about this amazing kitchen gadget and how it can make your life easier and healthier. The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer with Cup is a versatile and powerful mini juicer that can blend, chop, and puree your favorite fruits and vegetables with ease. Its compact design and 200-watt motor make it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and busy lifestyles. With the included cup, you can make and drink your favorite drinks on the go, without having to worry about spills or messes. The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer with Cup is also incredibly easy to use. Simply add your favorite fruits and vegetables to the cup, attach the blending blade, and twist to blend. You can also use it to grind coffee beans, spices, and other dry ingredients. And when you're done, just pop the cup and blade into the dishwasher for easy cleaning. One of the best things about the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer with Cup is its versatility. You can use it to make smoothies, shakes, juices, sauces, dips, and even baby food. The possibilities are endless. Plus, with its compact size and sleek design, it won't take up too much space on your kitchen counter. Thank you for watching our video about the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. We hope you've learned everything you need to know about this amazing kitchen gadget and how it can make your life easier and healthier. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your own Magic Bullet Mini Juicer with Cup today and start enjoying healthy and delicious drinks in seconds.